ARB. So x-axis என்ன வரும் நமக்கு? Total என்ன வரும்? Student dollar names. This name. Come on. This name. Come on. So if you want something in y-lab na the y-axis la the name or legend varum appadina adu namu kudukalam. Come on. y-lab equal to I'll just say marks just say marks. This is a string, put it in a double quotes, character, and then color kena panna. What is it? Color kena COL. So COL equal to okay, red. If you want a border or color வேணும் அப்படினா அது எடுத்துக்கலாம். So red comma border equal to, I will just say here right now I say blue just for the difference, blue. So names of argument x-axis y label marks color red. About heading எனக்கு வேணும். So for that we use call main அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு command. So main அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு argument sorry main equal to, so whatever you type here it will be the heading. So let us say the heading is students total mark. So I put students total mark. So when so bar plot y-axis names dot arg வந்து x உடைய value x-axis, and then so then the y-lab is for legend while and the mark பண்றதுக்கு x-lab கூட கொடுத்துக்கலாம். நம்ம ரேட் ரன் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது y-lab கொடுத்துட்டு and color வந்து red color, the bar plot உடைய அந்த இது வந்து ரெட் ஆகும். So border வந்து அதுக்கான edge-க்கு வந்து contrast வந்து so take a difference வந்து நான் blue கொடுத்திருக்கேன், and main is nothing but headings. Okay, so now with this you can just execute. Okay, அப்படியே execute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So we got the marks, students total mark, the heading. You can see here the border, the color is changed. The border color is blue tinted and red the names of this. இப்போ இந்த மார்க்ஸ் இங்க வந்த மாதிரி இங்க நேம்ஸ் வரும் அப்படினா x-lab equal to names. You just give இங்க இந்த கமாண்ட் திரும்பி ரிட்ரைவ் பண்ணிட்டு you just say add. See இங்க பாருங்க இதுதான் flexibility. எங்க வேணா நீங்க ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ் எங்க வேணா ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Nobody is going to ask. x-lab student name enter. So we got now student name in x-axis and y on the marks and the percentage controlling here. Is that okay? And yes. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So into
okay, time கொடுங்க சார், டைப் பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, sorry. Maybe இது எனக்கு கிராஃப் வராதுன்னா okay, what? Plot x-axis, so y, x. See, இந்த இத தவிர நீங்க எத வேணா ஜோங்கல் பண்ணலாம். You can juggle anything except this one. சரியா? It is no formula that name dot argument அப்புறம் தான் இந்த ஒரு you can change this argument as you wish, but except this to first. Okay. Yeah, அப்படினா somehow they have created the command of the function is something else. So எல்லா command is a predefined function. This is a Somia. Snake. A slow girl. பேஸ்ல வந்து 100 வேர்ட்ஸ் ஸ்பெல் போட்டா கூட தெரியுதா? இது அவ்வளவுதான். Yes, sir. Name. Yes, done. Okay, let's go to the next one. That is a pie chart. So pie chart, I think you know that it comes in the form of a circle divided one. So automatic. So pie. Again the argument starts with the x-axis. Sorry, y. Student. Dollar total. Same thing. Now here the axis of what is it? The labels. The x-axis labels or the names of the endurer. With coming of labels, we know the mark. And the names.arg. Labels equal to student dollar s name. And you want to shade the colors also. You want to shade the colors. So color equal to, just now we are going to use a new content called rainbow of the predefined function which gives us shades of colors. Rainbow, the predefined function again. The length of student dollar or student, the number of records based on the number of records of the student. So you can see here some bodies are there, it's okay. You can see here the output. So Kumar, Arun, for your quick zoom, probably you will get a separate entity, then you can open and see like this. And command is very simple. File. See, if you get in this body, don't worry about it. It's not a big issue, right? Maybe it's because of some installation issues or package you see, but still it will work. Okay. So the command here is like pi. First argument is y-axis, where we say y here is not y, it represents the value here, the height, and the label which is going to be surrounded with the content which is going to be possessed in the pie chart. And rainbow is a predefined function for a changing of different colors. These are the different colors on the so அதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம். இந்த length ஏன் யூஸ் பண்ணா அப்படினா, see I don't know how many colors are required. இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் 3 records அப்படிங்கறது, so I can put rainbow of 3 கொடுத்துருக்கேன், so that I get 3 colors. If I got some 20-30 records இருக்கு அப்படினா, I got 30-30 records, I want different shades of colors அப்படினா, I put length of student. So whatever the length of the student, that is number of rows that is processed in the student, based on that. Actually number of rows it contains in the student is 3. So 3 will be substituted here. So rainbow of 3, so that is 3. So it gives the shades of different colors. So wherever you want different shades of colors, you can use rainbow as a predefined function, which is in R, so that it will support you to give a different colors. Yeah? Is that okay? Right.
Sir, the value varnona?
You can give value. If you say 3,
No. I want to display the value. What is the mark scored by each one?
Values labels is to where you want to use inside or
Yes.
We are trying it. Just trying.
And usually display the count only.
Yeah. You are telling this like Kumar what is the value here?
What is the total mark? Yeah.
Here, okay. So we try it. Just we'll see when children will come. I don't know, maybe I'll just try it. Right. So right, we will just complete with one more graph so that we just go to the histogram. Probably you might be gone through this also histogram. So histogram is normally tells about the ranges of the value or not. It's not bigger between the student. Again, the first starts with the student dollar total, comma. Just you leave this. So we get the range of values. So for here, the range of values is 100 to 150 equals 52 and 200 to 250 and 250 to 300. So there is no percentage there between 150 to 200. So it's a frequency. Very simple but easy and elegant way you could put it down. The range of number of people are available and the range of number of people are not available. You can just strip them HIST list. So these are a small few graphs which you see. Now we are seeing plot, bar plot, pie, and histogram. So when we have some more graphs that will be, by the way, once we started doing more exercise, we'll be graphing this graphs. So we have graphs of you can see them. Now, so we'll go to the next two parts, segment of understanding in R is something like importing the different files in R. Like for example, or Excel file or a text file or a database. So bringing the external file into R. Ready? Okay. So open an Excel, open a Microsoft Excel. ரொம்ப simple, easy, but only thing is you just follow the commands. So open this, open a blank Excel document. Open a blank Excel document. So let us give some values here. Let us create a set of records. So we are not going to save these as a Excel file because for Excel we need some package. But we are going to save this Excel file as a CSV file, that is, comma, separated values. And the file create. Okay. So just say here, e name, employee name, e salary. Salary, E bonus. So I just give a new model. So I got some values here. It's more 4, 5 records that we entered, and now I'm going to take this one to my R. So if we are talking right from the yesterday about analytical sandbox. And it's analytical sandbox where it gathers the different sources of data and put together in one place where we start analyzing. R is where is a kind of analytical box too. Where you are going to get different sources of file. If a CSV file is a semi-structured data, what we are discussing yesterday, structure, semi-structure, unstructured, quasi. So, on semi-structured data, CSV file data, I'm going to bring it to my environment, where into my R. Okay, right? So now save this file. In the save photo dinner, we have to save this file in our location. That is, in our F drive, file, save, browse. So don't save somewhere. Please put it in your folder where you created. So I created F drive, and my folder name is RFDP. So in that RFDP, I put employee. Don't save it as Excel. Save it as CSV file. So you can see your comma delimiter. So save it as comma delimiter. CSV. Comma separated values, that is called comma delimiter. So I just save it as comma delimiter. Save. So I'm saving. This is done. Come to our folder which you have created. நீங்க எந்த folder create பண்ணீங்களோ அதுல சேவ் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா அதுதான் இப்போ நம்ம ஓபன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். செட் WD கொடுத்து இது அதுதான் ஓபன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அங்க இருந்து ஈஸியா எடுக்க முடியும். ஏன்னா பாத்து உங்களுக்கு இருக்காது. Have you done this? So where you have stored, இங்க பண்ணிருக்க the folder which you have created and the folder which you have set here. வா மேல இந்த கன்சோல்ல தெரியுதுல. So now I just create a vector value. Say for example emp equal to read.csv. இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய கமாண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. read.csv நீங்க மறக்கிறீங்க. சூப்பர். முன்னாடி ஈஸியா முன்னாடி. So read.csv. Now we have to give the name of the one which we have given, employee. Now what is the name of it? Employee CSV, or is it W or what is the name? Let me check. Okay, W. So I just use W. Employee dot CSV. Enter. So now you type emp. Finish. You will be getting that whatever you type there in the form of data. Have you got this? Have you got this? Everyone? Yes? Yeah? Very simple, right? So you can also check this. Let us check this. What kind of data type it possesses? Print class. Number now. Print class, what it will do? Print class. It will tell what is the one. So at the print class emp, I can see what kind of data type the data is. That data frame. Yeah. See, you could see here. This is a data frame. Most of the one which you import, it will come in a form of data frame. Sometimes it is in a list. Maybe in a few occasions it goes into the vector. Right? Okay, Rob. Now I want to print. So just like this. Print max of. I'll just say very simple. Max of. So predefined function max of emp $e_salary. So I could say very simple. What is the maximum salary in that? So for example, some another predefined function min of min of minimum salary in that particular table. So it's very easy, very easy.